Hello, Cambly learners. How are you today? My name is Teacher Jonathan. But because you're my friends, you can call me Teacher John. I am a tutor with Cambly Kids. So welcome to Cambly Kids. Today, we are going to learn about animals. I love animals. We're going to learn about what their babies are called and where they live. And we will play a little game and we will pretend to be animals. Yes, we are going to have a good time. We are going to learn about the tiger. We will learn about the horse. Hey! And the little tiny frog. Ribbit, ribbit. And we will learn about a few other animals too. Now, before we start, I want to tell you about my favorite animal. Now, my favorite animal is the dolphin. The dolphin. Yes, it's a very cool animal. Now, what is your favorite animal? What's your favorite animal? Oh, I heard somebody say a lion. Yes, a lion is a very cool animal. Oh, another student said a monkey. Yeah, I like monkeys. Okay, one more. Are you sure? A dinosaur? That's your favorite animal, a dinosaur? Wow, is that really an animal? We can see. Okay, my friends, are you ready to begin? Let's go. So the first animal we are going to talk about is the tiger. Can you pretend to be a tiger? Very good. Now, what is a baby tiger called? A baby tiger is called a cub. So we have a tiger and his cub. Now, where do they live? The tigers live in the jungle. Wow, very interesting. Have you ever been to the jungle? I want to go. I want to go to the jungle. Very good. So we have a tiger and his cub, and they live in the jungle. Now, next we will look at the fox. The fox. Now, a baby fox is called a kit. A kit. Now, where do the foxes live? The foxes live in the burrow. They live in a burrow. Wow, a burrow. So we have a fox, a kit, and they live in a burrow. Now, the next one is a cute little animal. It is called a pig. Can you pretend to be a pig? Oink, 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 oink. A pig. And the baby pig is called a piglet. I think that's just the cutest little word. Pig, piglet, and they live in a pigsty. Very good. So let's practice. Pig, piglet, and they live in a pigsty. Very good. Now, can you guess the next animal? Are you ready? Moo. Moo. What animal? What animal? You're right, a cow. Very good. A cow. Now, what's a baby cow called? It is called a calf. A calf. And they live in a shed. They live in a shed. So we have cow, calf, and they live in a shed. Now, maybe you have one of these next animals. Do you have a cat? Oh, I like cats. Do you know what a baby cat is called? A kitten. Kittens are so small and so cute. So we have a cat, a kitten, and they live in a den. A den. Cat, kitten, and they live in a den. Very good. Now, before we go on to the next animal, do you want to play a little game? I like games. I like games. Okay, now tell me, which one is the animal? Is it the car? Is it the bike? Is it the flower? Or the bunny rabbit? Yell it out. Tell me, yell it. Which one? You're right, the bunny rabbit. High five, high five, high five, high five. Yes, very good. The bunny rabbit is the animal. You got it, you got it. Okay, let's keep going with our animals. Now, maybe like the cat, you have a pet in the house, a dog. Do you have a dog? Do you have a dog? Now, what's a baby dog called? We call it a puppy. Oh, puppies are so cute, aren't they? A puppy. Now, dogs and puppies live in a kennel. Live in a kennel. So let's practice. Dog, puppy, they live in the kennel. Okay, let's go on. We have a couple more. What about the horse? Yes, the horse. I like horses. Have you ever been on a horse? You have? Wow. Yeah, I want to ride a horse. So we have a horse, and a baby horse is called a foal. A foal. And they live in a stable. So let's practice. Horse, foal, they live in a stable. Okay, my friends, we have 2 animals left. The next one is a little animal called a frog. Now, what is a baby frog called? We call them tadpoles. Tadpoles. And do you know what? Frogs and tadpoles, they love to swim. They love to swim. So they live in a pond. Yeah. Have you ever visited a pond? I like ponds. They are very pretty. Okay, last animal, the last one. And it reminds me because they also live in the pond. They also like to swim. Can you guess what our last animal is? Quack, 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 quack. Yes, it's a duck. A duck. Now, what is a baby duck called? A duckling. A duckling. So we have duck, duckling, and they live in the pond. Very good, my friends. You guys did awesome today. We learned so many animals. Yes, thank you for your help. High five, high five, high five. You guys did great. Now, for those of you who don't know too much about Cambly Kids, Cambly Kids gives you instant access to amazing native English speakers and teachers who are kid-friendly, just like me. They like to have fun, they like to play games, and we like to learn. So you should ask your parents to schedule your next lesson with me, and you can use the link below. Use the link below, and then I will see you in class. So thank you so much, my friends. I hope to see you soon. Bye.